How to edit board on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a board on Pinterest. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, at the boards tab, you'll see all of your saved boards. So now here you can simply tap on the board that you want to edit, and once inside the board, just tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled Edit Board and Header Image. And now here, once you see the interface like this, now here you can change the header image of the board, you can change the name of the board, you can add or update the description if you like, you can set the collaborators as well. And once you're done with everything, you simply have to tap on Done to save or confirm your changes. And that's it. That's how you can edit board on Pinterest. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.